It's your boy, Pano. I got a treat for you today. I got 3 packs, but that's all. It's 1 2-pack and 2 singles. Oh, I'm trying that. 1 2-pack and 2 singles. So, 1 2-pack, 2 1-packs. Here's what I got Bucky from the Disney store toy box line. Loki from the Disney store toy box line. And a WandaVision pack from the Disney store toy box line. Now, I didn't know which one I was going with first, but I made a decision. I'm going to do 3 separate videos for each of them. These two are two, so I'll do both of them. Let's start right here. Okay. We're doing Bucky first, then Wanda, then this one. I'll try to upload this one tomorrow, sometime in the morning. Maybe a bit early, but we'll see. This one I'll do later in the day, hopefully tomorrow. We'll see. So Bucky's right now. Let's put this aside. Bucky, here it is. As you see, it's pretty rough. I've got a new button arm, like it says here. Side here. Back. For a minute, about when the shoulder on. And it's kind of. Oh, I know. These how kind of America. Me and my family thought it was called Fat Captain Falcon or something. But it's Captain America and Bucky Barnes. That was awesome. They're returning. Be right back. I'm back. Sorry. Just had to return off. And what do we got here? And there's a little turn on and off. That's it. Oh. That's it, huh? Sorry, I ran this one. And here's Bucky. Close look at him. Vibrating arm, very nice. Joints in the bend like this. Arm rotates out 60 degrees. Leg bends all the way up. And all the way, and almost all the way back. Head is it's stiff for now, it's loose. So it has swivels, I guess. If you look here, I believe it might be a little different than it was in the show, Palm on the Shoulder. But it's right. That's cool. Well, there used to be a Disney store by my Target, but like, I mean, I went to a mall I used to go to, but it's shut down apparently. Apparently, most of the ones by my area have shut down. Okay. Now, let's just see. It comes with a knife. You saw he's holding. He holds it in his hand, I guess. Well, loose now. Apparently, what they say is true. When you get the territories to take the accessories out, they never really stay back in place. By the way, we can put this up for display on his belt buckle right there. Right, yeah. Yeah, see? It's a little knife for merchants. And it goes to a blaster. The blaster really goes in this hand. I will see how we can fit it. Perfect. Now, what confuses me is like, who would use a blaster this size? Look at it's giant. Like, pew, 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 pew. Either way, blaster can be stored on the back. Like, just trying with this. Draw a hole on his back. See? And if we put it like this, on it, there's 2 holes. Let's see. And 2 pegs on a blaster. That's so weird. It's not. But, and here it is, a fully armed Bucky Barnes, the Winter Soldier, aka the real Captain America's best friend. Not that Battlestar guy. No, wrong. It was cool that they got the new cabin on the shoulder before with Sam, a friend. But like, it totally sucked that they called him Bowser. This is a rip off of Bucky. Like, Cat may have a friend that helped him in World War II, but like, seriously, Battlestar. I'm not running with Marvel logic, but like, come on, people, you can come up with a better name than Battlestar. It sounds wrong. Okay? There. The gun's harder to stick into place, but it works. Okay? It's fully weaponized. That's the armored bucky. Now, overall, I will rate this toy, with the blaster, a, let's see, how about 2 points? And I made that 2.5. Knife is questionable, so I'll give it like 2 points, I guess. So for silver, that's 4.5 points. I'm going to the vibranium arm as a separate thing, because like, it's Bucky. And so you can just not count the metal arm as the whole thing, you gotta count it separately. It's just the logic, people, my logic. Either way, the alarm, definitely 10 points. No, 11. 11 points, so 11 panel points. Either way, 11 points. And finally, last one is the whole thing. Yeah, I want to say 9.5 points. So let's see. 10 plus 9 is, no, 11, I said. So that's 20 plus 4 is 4, and another half is 25. So overall, 25 points. Okay, well that concludes this review of the Falcon Winter Soldier Disney toy box action figure of Bucky. And if you can see, I'm sorry, but like, I hope you enjoyed this review. And see you tomorrow, hopefully for another review. And remember, keep your imaginations active, your toys played with, and remember, I'll kill drugs. Later.